The next pre-Socratic philosopher that we dealt with was Heraclitus. And I'm kind of putting him under the heading of a monist and a materialist, even though I'm not 100% sure that his doctrine fits in, and I'll address it when we get down to it. But let's think about the basic elements of what Heraclitus had to say. What's in his ontology? He, like Anaximander and Anaximenes, finds what the Milesians are claiming is completely wrong. They think matter is the basic component of the cosmos, the universe. Not Heraclitus. He thinks change is the basic thing. He has a couple of basic doctrines. One of them is the doctrine of the flux, which is what supports the change. Remember, he said you can't step into the same river twice. Everything is constantly in a state of flux. And then he has some other mysterious doctrines. Some of them with opposites are two sides of the same thing. That is his unity of opposites doctrine. The road up is the road down, right? It's just the direction you're looking in. Seawater is the purest and the most polluted thing. Pure for fish, polluted for humans. Strange doctrine. Unity opposites. And remember, he again is following the old tradition, writing in poetry, and he used to love to look like he contradicted himself. So boy, that's what makes it even harder to understand what he's getting at. But he says, nonetheless, with all this change, nature hides, but it follows a regular and orderly pattern. And this is his doctrine of the Logos, the Greek word meaning sort of word, which really means account or explanation. Maybe even sort of means like word in the sense that they used to use the word word. When somebody says it, somebody says word means that's true, that's the right explanation, that's the right account. And this is why I classified him as a monist with regard to metaphysics, even though he's in a strange world, because for him, fire was the basic component. And I think he decided that because it's the thing that really embodies change. If you watch, what is fire doing? All it's doing is acting on things and changing things. But notice the conclusions that we hit as a result of Heraclitus, where we are. Everything we see, we hear, we feel, all of these things are not real. And nothing we believe as a result is true. It has some very serious epistemological consequences and not very happy consequences at that, and things that are going to really affect Plato, and Plato is going to take these into consideration and try to explain how you get around the problem of not having any truth, because everything is changing. Nothing is, in fact, true.